In this video tutorial, I want to explain how to work with variables, function return values, and the echo or print language constructs. Here in my PHP code, I have two variables with hard-coded values. Ideally, these values would come from a user form. If they did, we would first validate them and convert them to numbers before using them in any calculations. Notice that we have some long decimals here for the gallons of gas used and the price per gallon. To calculate the total cost of the trip, we multiply these two values together, which gives us this long decimal result. Our goal is to display this cost on the web page. If I use the echo language construct followed by the variable name, the cost is displayed perfectly. That's a basic approach. We can also enclose the variable cost in double quotes, and it will display exactly the same way. When you use double quotes, PHP interpolates the variable, meaning it looks inside the quotes and evaluates the variable's value. This also allows us to use escape sequences. For example, if I use the escaped $, so the backslash and the $sign shows up correctly on the page. Keep in mind that escape sequences like $$, $n, or $t only work inside double-quoted strings. If you try to use an escape sequence outside of a quoted string, PHP will throw an error message. Now, what if we want to format this number to 2 decimal places? We can use PHP's number format function. This works great on its own, but we run into a problem if we want to put a $sign directly in front of it. Unlike a variable, you could not just put quotation marks around a function call. PHP does not evaluate functions inside a quoted string. It treats them as literal text. If you try it, you'll literally see the name of the function printed on the screen instead of the result. So how do we get that $sign in front of our formatted number? The first option is concatenation. While we will cover concatenation in depth in another lesson, I want to show it to you now. We can concatenate a string with the result of an expression by using the period. The period works to join two things. It will join the string on the left with the expression on the right. Because if the expression were enclosed in quotes, it would literally show you what the expression is. In this case, the function call would display as text instead of giving you the result returned by the function. So if you see here, that works very well. There is another alternative. The second alternative is to actually use the original variable in our echo output as a formatted variable. However, we are going to redefine it in our processing after we have determined the result of the calculation and store it in the variable. Now we can redefine the value of the variable by formatting it. Remember, the formatting always comes at the end. You do not format anything before you perform the calculations. This seems to be a nice approach also. As you can see here, we have our number. However, we do not have our $sign. Now we can go back into our echo output, use our double quotes, and use our escape character. Remember, escape sequences such as the $$ work inside double-quoted strings when you want to display a literal $sign before a variable. Ultimately, rather than hard-coding in HTML, you could actually use this inside the echo string also. Here we see another way that we can write our output to the page. This gives us a clean, efficient way to output our final data to the web page.